Avocado oil is one of the healthiest cooking oils in the world. It is rich in healthy fats, vitamins, and antioxidants that are beneficial for the body. But have you ever wondered how this green fruit is turned into the golden oil you see in bottles at the supermarket? In today's video, we will take you through the fascinating journey of how avocados are transformed into high-quality avocado oil. From harvesting the fruit on farms to the final bottling process in factories, every step requires careful handling and modern technology. Let's explore the entire process step by step. Step 1. Harvesting the avocados. The journey of avocado oil begins on large avocado farms. Avocado trees grow best in warm climates with plenty of sunlight and well-drained soil. When the fruits reach the right size and maturity, farmers harvest them carefully. Workers usually pick the avocados by hand to prevent bruising or damage. Each fruit is gently placed into baskets or crates. Harvesting at the right time is very important because the quality of the oil depends on the quality of the fruit. Fresh, ripe avocados contain a high amount of natural oils inside their creamy flesh. This is what makes them perfect for oil extraction. After harvesting, the avocados are transported quickly to the processing factory. Step 2. Transportation to the factory. Once harvested, the avocados are packed into large crates or boxes and loaded onto trucks. These trucks transport the fruit to avocado oil processing facilities. The faster the fruit reaches the factory, the better the oil quality will be. This is because fresh avocados maintain their nutrients and natural oils better when processed quickly. When the trucks arrive at the factory, the avocados are unloaded and prepared for the next stage of production. Step 3. Washing the avocados. Before processing begins, the avocados must be cleaned thoroughly. At the factory, the fruits move along conveyor belts into large washing machines. Powerful streams of clean water remove dirt, dust, leaves, and any pesticides that may be on the skin. This cleaning step is very important because it ensures the final oil is safe and pure. After washing, the avocados continue moving along the production line for inspection. Step 4. Sorting and quality inspection. Not all avocados are suitable for making high-quality oil. At this stage, the fruits are sorted carefully. Machines and workers inspect the avocados to remove any that are damaged, rotten, or too unripe. Only the best fruits are selected for oil production. This careful selection ensures the oil will have excellent taste, color, and nutritional value. Once sorted, the good avocados move forward to the next step, removing the skin and seed. Step 5. Removing the skin and seed. Avocados contain a large seed in the center and a thick outer skin. These parts are not used to produce oil. Special machines cut the avocados and separate the skin and seed from the soft green flesh. The creamy avocado pulp is collected and sent to the next stage of processing. This pulp contains the valuable oils that will eventually become avocado oil. Step 6. Crushing the avocado flesh. Next, the avocado pulp is crushed into a thick paste. Industrial crushers or grinders break down the fruit flesh to release the oil trapped inside the cells. The result is a smooth avocado paste that contains oil, water, and small particles of fruit. This paste is then transferred into large mixing machines. Step 7. Malaxation, mixing the paste. The avocado paste is slowly mixed in a process called malaxation. Large mixing tanks gently stir the paste at controlled temperatures. This allows the small oil droplets inside the pulp to combine and form larger droplets. This step improves the efficiency of oil extraction. The mixing process usually lasts between 30 minutes and 1 hour. After mixing, the paste is ready for oil separation. Step 8. Oil extraction. To separate the oil from the paste, factories use powerful machines called centrifuges. A centrifuge spins the avocado paste at very high speeds. This spinning motion separates the mixture into 3 parts: avocado oil, water, solid fruit particles. Because oil is lighter than water, it separates naturally during this process. The machine collects the pure avocado oil while the remaining pulp and water are removed. This is the most important step in the entire production process. Step 9. Filtering the oil. After extraction, the avocado oil may still contain tiny particles and moisture. To improve its clarity and purity, the oil passes through filtration systems. Special filters remove any remaining solids. The oil becomes clear, smooth, and golden in color. At this stage, the oil is almost ready for packaging. Step 10. Bottling the avocado oil. The final step is bottling. Automated machines fill glass or plastic bottles with the finished avocado oil. Each bottle is carefully sealed to maintain freshness. Labels are added with information such as the brand name, nutritional facts, and expiration date. The bottles are then packed into boxes for shipping. Step 11. Packaging and distribution. After bottling, the avocado oil products are packaged in cartons and prepared for distribution. They are shipped to supermarkets, restaurants, and markets around the world. Consumers use avocado oil for cooking, salad dressings, skincare products, and even hair treatments. Thanks to modern food processing technology, this healthy oil can now reach millions of people worldwide. Conclusion. The process of making avocado oil is a fascinating combination of agriculture, science, and modern machinery. From harvesting fresh avocados on farms to extracting and bottling the oil in factories, every step plays an important role in ensuring high-quality oil. The next time you see a bottle of avocado oil, you will know the incredible journey it took from fruit to bottle. Before avocado oil is released to the market, it must pass strict quality control tests to ensure it meets food safety standards. In modern factories, samples of the extracted oil are taken to laboratories where experts analyze the oil's color, purity, acidity level, and nutritional value. These tests help ensure that the avocado oil is safe, healthy, and of high quality for consumers. One important factor that determines the quality of avocado oil is its acidity level. High-quality avocado oil has a very low acidity level, which means it is fresh and properly processed. Oils with low acidity usually have a better flavor, longer shelf life, and higher nutritional value. Another important aspect of quality control is checking the oil's color and aroma. Fresh avocado oil often has a beautiful golden green color and a mild, pleasant aroma. If the oil appears cloudy or has an unpleasant smell, it may indicate problems during the production process. That is why factories carefully monitor each stage of production to maintain consistent quality. Avocado oil is widely valued because of its impressive health benefits. It is rich in healthy monounsaturated fats, which are known to support heart health. These healthy fats can help reduce bad cholesterol levels in the body and improve overall cardiovascular health. In addition to healthy fats, avocado oil also contains important vitamins such as vitamin E and vitamin K. Vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant that helps protect the body's cells from damage caused by free radicals. Vitamin K plays an important role in maintaining strong bones and supporting proper blood clotting. Another reason avocado oil is popular is its high smoke point. The smoke point is the temperature at which oil begins to burn and produce smoke. Avocado oil has a much higher smoke point compared to many other cooking oils. This makes it ideal for frying, roasting, grilling, and sautéing foods without losing its nutritional benefits. Because of its nutritional value and versatility, avocado oil has become very popular around the world. It is used not only in cooking but also in cosmetics and skincare products. Many people apply avocado oil to their skin and hair because it helps moisturize, protect, and improve overall skin health. As global demand for healthy oils continues to grow, avocado oil production is increasing in many countries. Large avocado farms and processing factories are expanding to meet the needs of consumers who want natural and nutritious food products. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more amazing videos about how everyday products are made.